hood of your car. Little water activates the wax, so wash your car first, smooth it over the surface of your vehicle, no hard rubbing, scrubbing, or buffing. So this is going to remove any oxidation, take care of road tar, tree sap, bug stains, and bird droppings. Also great for helping to fill in any hairline scratches or swirl marks you might have from a high-speed orbital brush, car wash brush. Now I just use a tissue there in my demonstration, show you how easy that comes right off the hood. At home, just use a nice soft microfiber towel, and that's when you buff it up. So each coating will last you 6 months. If you notice, we're not getting a ton of fingerprints there, so it's not for shine alone, it's also for protection. But my luck is I wash my car, it always rains the next day, right? Thousands of beads of water, they dry as rain spots, water bursts with surfaces. When the car is moving, it helps create a nice sheeting action. Most of that water will sheet off the car. Guys, that's pretty much bone dry, feels like glass, looks like a mirror. So each coating lasts 6 months. Each bottle will do about 4 large cars, also good for boats, RVs, motorcycles as well. Now we usually sell it for $40, but we're here to promote, so we give you our minute wax. So this is our quick detailer. Now I love the minute wax because it helps repel any dust and pollen, takes care of smudge marks and fingerprints, enhances the shine and protection in between waxing. So Auto Show special, we do an offer, buy one set for $44. Help me advertise, carry on my bright yellow Perma-Seal bag. We give you a second set for free, so you get all 4 bottles for $44. Now if it's not the best wax you've ever used, 100% money back guarantee and running, but I think you'd love it if you try it. And if you take it this demonstration, we'll also give you a chamois for washing and drying your car. They hold 28 times their weight in water, so give it a touch, give it a feel, protect your car
it's
with
super smooth.
Perma-Seal. We also have a ceramic, that one's going to last a year.
That is awesome, you guys. Check them out, Perma-Seal here at the Cleveland Auto Show.